Hi there, we're Jay and Greta Kennedy with Family Life Canada, and one of the things we are really passionate about is parenting.
Yeah, not just parenting our three teenagers, which is equally fun and challenging,
Oh yeah,
but encouraging other parents and coming alongside churches to strengthen the families.
and so many parents these days, they're really struggling, aren't they? I'm sure you hear it too as you walk with them. They come to you with these deep frustrations and often feel out of their depth. And many are confused about how to parent in the middle of today's many cultural voices that are increasingly at odds with biblical values.
They've got some big unanswered questions. So as leaders in our churches, we want to help them find not just any answer, but answers that are grounded in biblical wisdom, answers that equip them to parent with more of the loving heart of our Heavenly Father.
As a leader in your church, we know you are super busy and you can only have so many conversations with struggling parents. So we want to come alongside you with a resource to help you bless the parents you minister to.
With that heart to help, the team here at Family Life Canada has put together an equipping kit for you, which you can find a preview of below. It's designed to help you equip and support the parents in your community without having to have all the answers or all of the conversations or put on a big event.
It contains practical tips and options on how to use our parenting workshop video library. And that's over 20 talks on crucial parenting topics. That's so you can easily facilitate a time of learning and encouragement among the parents you serve.
We invite you to sign up below to get the free equipping kit. And to thank you for partnering with us, we'll give you extended free access to all of the on-demand workshops. That way, you have flexibility to find a time to use the material to bless the parents in your church.
Would you join us and church leaders from all across Canada as we strengthen thousands of homes? Together, we can bring more help and more hope and more joy to a lot of families.